to we're in Koh Samui and we're going on elephant safari. Yeah.
Is it your name?
Kid?
Yes.
Kid and Mark?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I think it's up one more hotel.
Okay.
Alright, sweet as for that. This is our icon.
It's on the beach.
Akbar. It's on the peach.
How are you?
Yeah.
Toilet restroom, and then over there elephant area we can spend time with elephant. Here we have 7 elephants. The oldest one 53-year-old, her name Boja, and the youngest one 18-year-old, her name Lily. She like a new elephant, the new one coming here. She really lucky elephant because she came here very fast. Like we try to rescue her just 3 months now. But Boja, she just been here 1 year. But they're 53-year-old, but I think like so many years she working before like this. And also my sanctuary here, we have 7 elephants. You can visit them 7 elephants. We have the one, she look like she pregnant, but she not pregnant, she fat. You can meet her. She really calm and friendly. You can hug her, you can kiss her. She really nice. When you have food, you can do anything with her, but you not thought her pregnant. She fat. But you not say louder. She get angry because this lady don't want to know the body weight and like this.
Out of it. Have you seen him, man? Yeah, hard. They're not even that big. Like, I thought they'd be huge. Crazy. This is where we at. Oh. Yeah, it's just a cook up. We're straight with elephants.
That speech is funny.
Yeah.
Not a bird to go put here.
I swear we've seen this one on a YouTube video before we watched. You know what I mean? Yeah. Same place looks familiar.
Everyone, I will show you how we feed elephant. You can grab like this. Pick up the melon like this, and then when you feed the elephant, You fit on there behind the front. They can pick it up. You can sit, you can hug them, and then you can sexy pose with them. Crossing very important. You can do like this. Don't be scared, they cannot eat you. And then don't be shy. Posing, take picture, really naughty one. Like that's so cute. Second Boja, she picky, you see? She doesn't like the head of the melon.
Ooh. Yeah, that's the tickle. Out of it. Hold on, I want to try POV. Hey, that was a shit one. Tani bin Fagan Naki. One, two, three, 4, 5 elephants. And he's a gazelle.
He's a pig.
There is pig. The birds are quick up here. Oh, Trina, actually. I forgot.
Oh, what? Trisha.
Trisha, Trina.
Same like a human. No money, no honey.
We've been talking about it.
เดี๋ยวขอตรงนี้อย่างนี้ก็ได้ซ้ายขวาซ้ายขวาซ้ายขวา
Everyone, let me do like this. You're gonna take a picture like this, couple by couple, family by family. I'm gonna help you first. After that, take your time. You take your time, selfie with them. After your time, I give you more information. Okay? You want to go first?
We're now sharing the elephants.
More dirty, more sexy.
This one's gonna go in.
Maybe just put in the water. Because when the elephant gets wet, there's not more than 10 minutes. They're poop. That's handy.
99% chance they're gonna poop in the water.
Okay, when you're ready, you have to go down.
Here. Okay. That was funny. Okay. That was funny.
Yeah, that is so fun. Got to wash them, feed them, or kiss on camera.
They're small as compared to what I thought, eh?
Do you know why?
Because they're Asian elephant, Indian.
Asian elephants.
African elephant, big. Asian elephant, small. It's because Asian small. African, big. That's what he reckons. Just get it. We are Chief fam. Me and the Miri. Gonna go get some food and go for a little bit of shop.
And so what we've done today?
We went to the outer pant and we then came back and just sat by the pool and got horsey gang. And then we went back to the room and fell asleep. And now we're just going out for dinner. Oh, hold on. Got the shoes on. Yeah. This is... It's mean too because at the moment it's not cold. Oh, hot. It's fucking warm, but it's not hot. This place is like a party island. So yeah. I got one, brother, I got one. Thank you.
See ya. Biggest weekly jungle party. Scan the QR code for tickets.
Hey. Babe, remember we got a Yui Boom too? Do you want to go have a look in that street?
No, like the falafel.
Oh,
Do you like
falafel factory? Yeah, but I'm keen on what we had last night. Oh yeah, that's you. Just has a big boombox in the back.
Don't miss Kopangan's biggest weekly jungle party.
Yeah.
Scan the QR code for tickets.
Anyway, food. Pad Thai chicken, spring roll, chili sticky rice,
you said chicken
pork
sticky rice?
kapao, and tofu, and coke. Get it, baby. Let's get it. Hold up. Kate's just about to shoot. Oh. Hey, it's misshotting.
Try to get the head.
Yeah. Oh, you're hitting the center. Hey. You're out. I'm scared now. Yeah. Very good.
Yeah, look at that. Show them. The head's not very good, but right down the middle.
Right. This one? Hey, I want to do it like you.
That's alright. Do two hand, babe. You're way more accurate with two. Try and go for the head.
Ratchet.
Let's compare. Thank you. Oh, that's yours, that's mine. Thank you.
Oh yeah, I'll carry the bags first. Like a good little thing.
Shall we take them?
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Is that a cockroach? Oh. Are you still hungry?
Yeah. I feel like a fat shit going to there.
A fat what?
A fat shit. So much cheaper than the airport. Oh, you know, what is that?
Cabaret show.
What's that?
Cabaret's cool. It's
Ladyboy
dancing.
show.
Ladyboy show, yeah? What do you do?
Dancing.
Oh, nice.
Cabaret is cool.
Dancing, show me willing.
I went to Cabaret in Paris.
Can you hold that? Because I'm scared she might have just rubbed her mick on her. Look at that.
Did you want to go back to their com? Oh, food, yeah. The aircon. Do you want to sit down?
So, today, yeah, we're going to try BurgerKing.
Have you not tried it yet?
Not in Thailand or Japan.
It's not my vlog if you don't have Burger King,
Are
KFC,
you
or
a Burger King
Macca's.
member? Yes, I am. But skip for now. What are we going to try?
Get the mushroom Swiss.
Ooh. Double crunchy bacon, cheese, XL, add to cart. Oh wait, where's my cart? $40, holy fuck. No mayonnaise.
Wait, 400 baht. Is that nearly 20
It'll
baht?
be a big burger.
Oh.
Oh no, I don't want that. I don't want an XL.
You should get small so you can try more.
No, well, I actually only really want to try one burger.
Get barbecue bacon and cheese.
Snack?
Oh, yumzing.
No, that'll be spicy.
Shake nori.
Right, this isn't really much of a try my food because I'm just getting the
Get
same
something
order.
diff.
Nah. Man's is just wanting just a little touch the corners of my stomach
What,
after.
can we just see what's on the menu on dessert?
Yeah, after my dinner. Touch the tickle my stomach after my dinner.
Babe, you just got a 12 pack of Coke. Do you need to get that?
I
Coke?
didn't.
What'd you get?
I didn't. I put them back because you gave me shit.
Did you put both of them back?
Yes. You gave me shit.
Taro.
Chicken.
Babe,
Chicken.
Wait, go back.
Snack.
Go to dessert.
Taro corn pie. Ooh. Taro. Zayd would try that. Not me though. They were taro. Hi.
What's that? Loaded with shallots.
Oh Oh hell, these straight chicken on chicken
It
on
looks
chicken.
so dry. The chicken.
Oi! They're working right there, bro.
Sorry.
Yeah. Tom yum fried chicken. Ooh. Tom yum? What's tom yum? Excuse me? Is tom yum spicy? Tom yum chicken spicy? Alright. We'd get.
To know then. What's on rice?
I'll get that tomorrow. Nah.
You can take out double.
It's one big Coke. Check out. Let's get them now.
So all of that was only $25.
Yeah.
That's pretty cheap.
No, that's just normal to New Zealand. There's actually low-key maybe a bit more expensive, but
Then New Zealand?
yeah, I've noticed that BurgerKing and like some of them just are more expensive, but oh, can we mate?
Not the decline card.
Shit, don't show the camera. That is cool though. Am I all good for my first time shooting a pistol?
Yeah, you got most of them on but you gave up in the middle of it.
Yeah.
But your first few ones were all around 8 and 9.
You gave up because you're better than me. Welcome back to the best vlog in NZ. You're talking to Maya with the big rocks, and we are here in Thailand, BurgerKing, and get it.
Can I go to the Ladyboy?
Welcome to the New Zealand. Welcome to the boy with New. Welcome to the guy in New Zealand with the biggest rocks. That currently travelling into Thailand with the biggest rocks. Welcome to the guy in Thailand with the biggest rako out. Welcome to the guy that's on a good diet. On a diet.
Are you?
That's why I got BurgerKing. So, guys, before this, we actually went grocery shopping. Hey, babe. Just letting you know that I got some watermelon, a papaya, some New Zealand yogurt, some. What else we get, babe? Tempeh chips, some almond milk, some. So we've already had dinner, but you know Mans is a big boy nowadays. He needs that thing to tackle the edges after dinner. And then after this we go get dessert. It's currently... Oh fuck, what am I up to? Yeah. Oh, Ladyboy, take me. She's like, oh, you come and give you a good hand job, big boy. You're very tall, isn't it?
No, she did.
Oh, look at him. They're like,
Oh, I thought you meant that's what she said to you.
it's like, you come with me, big boy. You got big heavy diddle. Forget about that. So we're instantly happy with the size. The size of the drink.
The chips are
The
weird.
size of the chips. Oh no, don't give them a review, it's mine.
They're
Nah.
weird.
Alright, so we do a food review, but Kate just eats it all.
I'm just thirsty.
It goes from Maya's food review to Kate's. Alright. What do we got cooking up in here? Up. Alright. First off, we'll taste the drink.
It's so refreshing.
Refreshing but cordial. So they use cordial over.
I like that better than Coke though.
I hate it when the cordial's strong. They use like cordial and soda water. It's all good, but just need to shake it up.
Have you got your microphone?
Oh, no, where is it? Oh.
I thought the quality's better.
Yeah.
Welcome back to NZ's best vlog in New Zealand, the man with the biggest rocks and the man that loves to eat fatty fucking food. Now let's get into it. We got BurgerKing here. I've got me a double bacon cheeseburger and we're about to try that shit with cheese.
And we have eaten Thai food, not just...
So this is the second meal of the night. You know this motherfucker's coming back 100 kgs. That's what we want to be anyway. So we're going to start off with a bite.
The chips are weird. Sorry.
It's my review.
But like, let me know what you think.
Instantly, chips are weird.
Yeah, what is it?
We'll get to that. Back to the burger. Bacon, crispy as fuck. Flavour is not what I anticipated. That's it. That's it. Imagine a double bacon cheeseburger. Bacon so crispy it crumbles in your mouth. With barbecue sauce mixed in with sweet and sour sauce. That's it. Patties and buns are better than New Zealand because usually New Zealand dry is dry. These are low-key got moist.
Oh, drink's so good.
These chips though, we'll get back to these.
Yeah, what is it?
Hold on. Wait, you're back.
I thought I had that.
It's kind of like they cook them, they dry it out, and they put them back in the thing again.
Yeah.
That's it, eh? Ain't my honey bunny. Nah. Ketchup, gum.
Ketchup. Oh, I got that hooked up.
Oh, that's so good.
Alright, now we're gonna try what you've all been waiting for, chips in the burger. This can really revive a shit burger.
Do you like the bacon crumbling in your mouth?
Nah, I like a bit of chew.
I feel like everything's getting reheated.
That's Burger King for you. So we're just waiting on my garden salad. There you go, just waiting on my garden salad. Should be coming soon. They said it's a little bit of a wait. Oh, thank you. Oh, I thought I ordered a garden salad. Instantly, chicken looks chum. It'll come out on like a...
What is that?
It's just the bone, baby.
That's cool.
I'm full, so...
You have to try that.
Nice
though.
vlog, guys. Nah. I'll try my garden salad. Doesn't taste like a garden... Smell like a garden salad. Cut the vlog, that shit.
Try it.
It was
try it.
chum.
Try it.
It tastes like when we go
to a chicken and chip store and they've been had their chicken and chips. Ooh, I just farted viciously.
Okay, let's go then.
No. You put the chicken and chips. It tastes like when you get the chicken and chips, and it's been sitting in that heater for ages, and then the
I don't know. I can't relate.
well, the skin goes so crispy because it's been just drying up in the heater, and then they just put it back in the thing again. Fuck, stupid. They definitely just reheated all this shit.
100%.
Some of you in the comments will be commenting, oh fuck, this guy's fucking rude. Nah, like I get comments.
I'm gonna get cancelled from this.
I'll probably get cancelled because I'm just disrespecting, talking to the camera like this when my mic's right here. Probably get cancelled because I'm just disrespecting Thailand BurgerKing. But fuck, let me put it to you straight. I love Thailand McDonald's, but this shit's fucking just ain't it. Thailand McDonald's is unreal. And that's that.
And you love Thailand.
Yeah, and I love Thailand KFC. Thailand KFC, unreal. Thailand KFC. So the other night I was supposed to do Thailand KFC
I
versus
think you said this in the vlog.
yeah, but I'm saying again versus McDonald's chicken review. Now I was wasted as we just got back from a Muay Thai fight, and I ordered. I ordered my feet. It rocked up, and I was like, hey. Looked in the bag and there's just 2 KFC boxes, and then I'm thinking, oh, maybe when I get upstairs, I open it up and the chicken will look different, and they just use the same boxes because I was drunk. And I got up and I opened it and they looked the same, and I was just like, fuck, checked the phone and I ordered 2 boxes of KFC.
Instead of one McDonald's.
Yeah, and it was good. And I remember me and you were going over it like, nah, I did it. Like, you're like, are you sure you got it from the same place? Or like, yeah, gaff it. Thank you for watching the best vlog in
Oh, you're
NZ.
gonna do rating.
Rating 4 out of 10
And why?
because it's just chum. Dry.
But the drink was really refreshing.
Well, the drink was only refreshing because I wanted a drink, so.
Oh my gosh, cheer up.
No.
Got some food on your mouth too.
You spend some. Nah. You spend your money and you want BurgerKing, just tickle the edges before you go to sleep. Get you ice cream and shit.
Okay, let's go.
So now I'm gonna go get me a fucking ice cream. From BurgerKing. Alright, thanks. Nah, sorry guys. I'm talking shit. Just getting carried away. Thank you guys for watching this food review. The best vlog in NZ Arcs, the man with the biggest racks, and the guy that is in Thailand Arcs. See you guys.